This video is brought to you by Century Dental. 9 things to do when preparing for a dentist appointment. Regular dental appointments can sometimes be too much to handle. That's why it is hard for many people to make a dentist appointment, whether it is for a simple toothache or something as serious as an infection. Everybody knows that even though we hate seeing the dentist, it is necessary to ensure good dental health for a long time. There are several things you need to do and consider when preparing for a dentist appointment to make your experience a breeze. Brushing and flossing beforehand are important practices to maintain oral hygiene, but there are several other things you can do. 1. Know your purpose. People go to the dentist for 2 reasons, either for a regular checkup and cleaning or for a certain dental procedure. Always know the purpose of your visit and mentally prepare for it. If you are not sure why you are going to the dentist, it is best to call the clinic and ask. Knowing what is going to happen is important for your preparation, especially if you are the type of patient that gets nervous before every procedure. Condition yourself mentally and physically for the whole process and you will be good to go. 2. Prepare in advance. There are a lot of things to prepare when visiting the dentist, especially if you are traveling with a child. In preparing for a dentist appointment, you will need your dental kit, medical records, and something to keep you or your kids occupied and comfortable while you wait. You can put everything in a bag the night before so that you will be ready to go when it is time to travel to the dentist's office. 3. Clean your mouth. Dentists see different oral problems every day, some of which can be filthy and unsanitary. Be considerate and save your dentist from experiencing this by simply gargling mouthwash. This simple act will make the procedure easy for both you and your dentist. 4. Brush and floss. Aside from gargling with mouthwash, you should also brush and floss your teeth at least an hour before your appointment. This will help the dentist in the cleaning process because there will be no food residue in between the teeth. It will also be a sanitary practice to keep your breath fresh and minty for the procedure. 5. Avoid eating before the appointment. With the goal of keeping your mouth sanitary before the appointment, you can also try not to eat at least 2 hours before going to the dentist. If you really have to eat before the appointment, you should steer clear of strong-smelling food such as garlic, onion, fish, and more. Stick to something light like crackers or nuts to avoid going with an empty stomach. However, it's best if you can avoid eating entirely. You can always treat yourself with your favorite food after the visit. 6. Prepare your information. One of the best dental appointment tips you will ever get is preparing all of your information beforehand. Dental clinics have a lot of forms you need to fill out with your personal information. Have that information ready so it will be easy for you to simply write it down. The usual information you will need are your name, phone number, address, insurance details, and medical records. Make sure you have all that information ready to avoid causing any trouble. 7. Arrive on time. When you set a certain appointment with your dentist, make sure that you stick to it. Your dentist surely has a lot of patients to handle for the day, so do your best not to make them wait. Dentists are very busy and usually have a packed schedule. A slight delay can mess with their other appointments and cause major inconvenience. In order not to let this happen, double-check your schedule and make sure that you have the right address for the clinic. Try to be at least 15 minutes early and wait for your appointment. 8. Get ready to share your medical history. Before the procedure, you will have to provide your past medical history. This includes everything you've gone through medically, all the diagnoses, medications, and even a bit of family medical history. It is important to know your medical history, because it will help the dentist know how to handle your condition and which medications are better for you. Don't forget to mention your allergies. 9. Be completely honest. Before making a dentist appointment, condition yourself to be completely honest about your condition. Don't be afraid of the dentist. Being honest about your situation will actually save you time and money in future appointments. If you are afraid or nervous, communicate this with your dentist so that they will know to be gentle and deal with your struggles and anxiety accordingly. Don't be shy to communicate your fear and anxiety because these are professionals who are used to dealing with anxious patients all the time. Going to a professional may be a hassle to most people. That's why you need to know how to prepare for a dentist appointment. If you are looking for a clinic for your regular checkups and cleaning, Century Dental has the best dentists in Treasure Island, Florida. Our staff are trained and ready for every dental treatment and procedure. Call us now at 727-367-3313.